Alright, yo, what is up everybody? Back with another video today. Alright, so I got you guys on the tripod this time because I've been noticing in the videos I've been holding the camera way too close to you, way too close to my face, and I am gonna go detail my truck in this video. I know you guys needed a video for this week, and there's a special video on Saturday that's probably gonna go up on Sunday, so get ready for that. So yeah, we're just gonna move my truck and just move it to the wash bay which is my driveway. And yeah, it's super bright today. It's super nice too. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, there you go. I love the focus on this camera. But yeah, there it is. She don't look dirty, but I promise you, she is really dirty. And I did do a poll on Instagram. A lot of people are saying to lower my truck. I know, I would love my truck lowered. So that might happen this summer. You never know. I might change it up because I know the style needs to change up once in a while. And lifted's okay. I just don't like stepping up without any steps because my door sensors are broken. And yeah, and I did get Marine speakers. They are not wired up yet, but soon. I'm gonna do that later today probably. Probably won't vlog it because that takes a lot of time. I only have a 32 gigabyte memory card for this camera, and that's not that whole bunch. So yeah, so we are gonna wire it up, but I don't know where the plugs are, and I don't know if it works because it was raining and I did go through a big old puddle. So I am gonna open it up, move it over there, and yeah. So, oh, it is so dirty in here too. Like, look how dirty that freaking floor mat is, and the carpet, and then the side, and then here's the back. Oh no! Hey, that's supposed to go up there. And yeah, here's basically the Marine speaker. It's waterproof, and it's super cold in my hand. Like, yeah, it runs bass and tweeters in the middle, like as you guys can see. But yeah, it's just in here, and that microfiber towel. Oh, it's not focus. Oh gosh. That microfiber towel over there is so nice. But yeah, and my camera won't focus. Oh my god. But yeah, that over there is a microfiber towel. Super good. I recommend it. I got it at Walmart. So yeah, we'll just wash my truck real fast, and it's getting super cold because the sun's hiding. So yeah, let's do a cold start. Yeah. This should sound super good. Hopefully the wind doesn't knock over the camera. Alright, now since we got her in the bay, we are gonna wash her. It's kind of bully dog stance. Have you guys noticed that with my truck? This tire's out a little bit more than the back one. I don't know. Oh, and nah, it kind of lines up. It's all right. How about this side? Yeah. That back tire kind of faces in. We're gonna have to fix the back alignment pretty soon because I did a donut in the dirt and I hit a rut and I guess it shifted my whole back axle. And look how dirty that is back there. Oh my god, do you guys see that clump of dirt on that freaking leaf spring? And yeah, so we'll do a before and after because like let's just see how just garden hose could do just as good as a power washer. And you don't really need a power washer. I'm going to put you guys over there. That's why you guys don't get wet and ruin my $600 camera. So yeah.
Stamina beat.
Alright, and you guys just seen me wash it, but here's the after part. Before and after, I did film the after part. It is still leaking kind of water because it's stuck in cracks. Dad gave me a workout with that big old microfiber drying towel. That thing weighs like 10 pounds, like I swear, like with full water in it. And I am missing some parts, which I'm gonna grab a little microfiber towel and just dry it with. Yes, I do keep my towels in my truck, just in case I do have to clean my truck for a meet at the car wash, because sometimes it's nighttime and I have to clean my truck. But yeah, what the fuck? Those things are so low. the fuck? They've never flown that close to the ground next to my house. That's so crazy. But that made my day, low-key. But I do have to clean the rims and my battery's actually flashing. So after I clean my rims, then I'm gonna do the after. And yeah, I'm gonna go start editing this video.
Anabolic beats.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Stay tuned for Saturday's vlog, or vlog, I don't know. And yeah, so I'll see you guys Saturday. Later.